Welcome to my channel. So I want to make this video short, not too long. So let me quickly show you how you can create a WhatsApp channel. So easy. So let's go to my WhatsApp. I'll use a business WhatsApp to create this one. So let's use my business WhatsApp. So I'll come here. So after you come to your WhatsApp, so here is your WhatsApp. So what you do now, you click on updates, then you see status. So when you see status, then you scroll down, see channel, explore, then like here, here is my name, here's my channel name. You see it, Majestic Gadget. So when you see it's among here, so it's added here. So after creating it, you see your channel here. So now let's go to create it now. So you click on this dot that is here. Look at this dot, click it. After clicking it, have you seen create channel? So click on that. This is it. Create a channel to reach unlimited followers. So any amount of followers you can get, millions, billions. So let's go by clicking continue. This is it. So after you click continue, you see add your channel name, any name you want to add. Let me just see Temple Morgan, or let me put let's put Temple Morgan. Then you say put description. You can write your description. Can write how to grow in YouTube. Let's how to grow in YouTube. You see it. Then say add your pictures. You can click here. You click your camera roll or gallery. I click gallery. Okay, let me just use my baby girl face. Yeah. To do this one faster. This is my sweet data. So click here. This picture has come up. So next is for you to click create. This is it. You have created a channel. So now they say you should share the channel to your friends and family. So I have to share these things to the people that I want. So some people may not accept, some people will accept. So I will click everybody that is my contact. So anyone that joined, for anyone do not accept, they will accept it, Some will not agree to accept, while some also will accept it. So let's go do it. So people that I don't want, I will not click them. Some people that I don't want for them to see, I will not click them. So this is it. Doing it. So I'm clicking this. I'm clicking everybody here. Anyone that don't want to join, for anyone that want to accept this channel. So sorry for that. The message that coming. So this I've reached the limits. So I press OK. Then say you can write a customized message, but I'm not writing anything. Sorry for that, miss. I will just click send. So they will spread this on my. This is it. This is start growing Temple Morgan. This is share to my status. I can share to my status, people will view from there. So that is how to create channel in to grow channel, how to create a simple channel in WhatsApp. That is it. So simple, no stress. Sorry for that message. So please like and share this video.